So today we are doing K-pop. Woo! ILLIT released their latest album, or EP, however you wanna. It's actually been pretty highly rated, you know, we got a 72.6. That's actually not bad, especially a lot of my friends are liking it, so that's always a good sign. Back end seems a bit scuffed, but as is every K-pop release, so we're not worried about that. Yeah, I guess we go straight in. I did like a lot of ILLIT's other stuff, so I'm kind of going into this expecting to enjoy it. I'd be surprised if I don't. I did find the title to be quite interesting. You know, Bomb. It's very odd. Also, I prefer this cover. Why did I got the old cover? Oh my days. Look how many people worked on this. That's crazy. You've got too many cooks in the kitchen, bro. That is egregious. We need to stop that. That's not good. Get rid of that. Do you know, am I not crazy? It's just kind of average, you know? Like, the voices sound great. I'll give them that. But the actual beat itself, for how many people worked on it, I think 70 is probably quite good for that. I wish I was using my speakers, but unfortunately then you wouldn't be able to hear me. And that, it's kind of important. It's also falling into the trap that a lot of recent K-pop albums, well, tracks rather, have done where it's like barely over 3 minutes. Like, we've only got one song over 3 minutes. You had about 20 people working on this and you can go over 3? You can fit in a final verse, you know, a third verse there. Surprising, interesting choice. I mean, I don't hate it, it's just kind of there. This is cool. I like strings. The strings are actually quite unique for this. Okay! I like this like dance funk vibe. Damn, yeah, this one's good. I like this one. This one's fun. This is like kind of what you go to ILLIT for. Oh, they got a bit of the tic-tac, tic-tac. I'm curious what the dance for this one looks like. Because I bet this has got some like, one of those like intricate finger movements. I like this though, I like the bass. The bass is funky. I'm a sucker for a good bass. Man, does it really drop off that hard after this? I mean, to be fair, I bet it won't, the quality probably won't, but the like inventiveness of it probably will. I imagine it will get quite boring after this. I find this so funny though. How are there so many? Like, what is really going on? They're kind of yapping about anything. There's not really much like substance to it, but it's fun. And that's all you can really ask for. Especially for a title track. Do you know, I'm kind of surprised that they dropped the kind of chiptune, like video game inspiration that they had before. It's sort of here for this one. It's not like as well executed. I kind of have to agree. I feel like I'd rather listen to Tic Tac for something like this sound. Or maybe Cherish as well. But yeah, again, like, how are there this many people and this is all we came up with? Like, I mean, to be fair, it's possible that, like, a lot of other artists in K-pop have this many composers and writers. They ghostwriters. They don't, like, actually get their name. Like, Willy. Who's this guy? What was Zed? Okay. Oh! With Chu as well? Passion Fruit? Okay. Seems like they're maybe kind of like a residual producer. They're not like fully in the sphere. They're just kind of like occasionally there. I mean, it's not bad. It's just, to be fair, I don't know if I'd say 10 for enjoyment. I could enjoy this, but like it is kind of tired. I feel like they've done that exact style much further before. Okay, we got another funky bass. You've got me hooked already. It's got some really nice vibrations. I don't know how to explain it, but I bet with closed back headphones you could really feel it. But like the mixing on this is really good. This guy did a really good job with this one. Like, this is like almost Dolby Atmos level of mixing. It is quite simple. Like, it didn't scream ILLIT to me. They're just kind of singing over it. It's definitely like a throwaway track. It's one that they've just like kind of picked off a catalog and been like, yeah, fuck it, we need to pad out the album. I don't know if I'd say it's as bad as what these guys are saying, but I do tend to rate higher than most people. It's not terrible. This like dance break is a bit, I don't know how I feel about that. Man, it's so sad as well because this song is mixed so well. It's just kind of there. Like, there's nothing really special about it. Why does it feel sped up already? Yeah, again, that drum loop, could you not have got like I don't know, something a bit nicer? To be fair, I might even put this at 10. I'm not sure how I feel about this on the chat. I don't know if I'd say this is as bad as Oops. Because at least for Oops, I could kind of, like the mixing kind of helped it a little bit. With this one, I'm just like, I don't know. Nothing about this feels like ILLIT to me. Like, it's just a kick snare, kick snare, kick snare, kick snare. Damn, that D Willy's worked with quite a lot of people. And he's got some like good stuff as well. It's a shame.